Imphal East, Pukaw Leitan Pok Pishong, Luipam Maram Aina Kon Gazar, Shokhairam. Cookie Group Bingley SOO Agreement Mahai Mikhavai, Manipur BJP spokesperson na Pohairam. Laikhayangathor achu Tangkhul Express Pvt pau Themngam Khayi ina pamidale. Pau ping maisa aina nganangarumsa. Imphal East District Pukaw Leitan Pok Pipamle Maite Nau Lui Khawali Cookie Nau na Kham Hawa the tension khalei Shokhairam. Sadu Lampak li Lui Otli Songfel Khui Ram Nau ping na Kham Hawaji. Otshot hi ayangathor pung jishet shikali haupoka. Ngashun rashungaji. IT pau na kahang local chan pau athishurda Meitei farmers pingna apam chili lui otsa kawai Central Security Forces wi eina permission kuihara kasana chi ka atum otsa kawai khawali ringanai cookie village wi mi pingna khamda chiwi eina khongazar shokhawaji Central Security Forces na situation control sa kawai salala khanini shi shairong kap ngro khawaji Manipur Police na otshot maramhi ex li pongshoka Chiwi atishur da ngathor pung thara shikali leitan pok piwi aina Meitei farmer aka tractor singda sadu lampak luili khawali ngaleji awi maning mana the cookie villagers na mamayatuwa. Police na kahang security forces Imphal East additional SP Nathanda Central Forces zanglaka apam chili vaya. District SP Nathanda additional forces Jihovaya. IT Pau field reporters na Chan Pau kami atishurda community kanini shiwi mi teraka apam chili wangarok da zimik pong the situation tense sawafoya. Central forces na smoke bombs shijinda yari kasham kawai saya. Atum kalatawi ngaleili lui wasang kawai mashun layeta Meitei na nganing tithawa kachi Imphal Times Pau china hanga. Cookie National Organization KNO kala United People's Front UPF hi haida khalei suspension of operation SOOG abrogate sakawai BJP Manipur Pradesh wi spokesperson na Pohaira Maram wuivang T Michael Lamjatang haukip na Prime Minister Narendra Modi kala Union Home Minister Amit Shah formal appeal misanghaira India Today Northeast Pau atishurda Tarik Tharatam Mati Thangkhami appeal chili kahang agreement ji haiwa kha Manipur destabilize sakapai maram hanga MHA na ground rules enforce masatu da agreement ji effective masatu wakaji hangda SOOG thakta abrogate sakawai BJP spokesperson Jina Poya grouping chili peace partner sada mukwila militant sada kuikwai hanga Ministry of Defense na Army kala Assam Rifles wi mga aina operationally control kasa SOO groups pingjina marine property sa kashiman li sharu kaha kakuya da hangsanga SOO chi ngalang determinate masapaya ka elected shorkar mukhui karang lakha aina dangda SOO maram li tuitak matala leisa khawai Michael Nahanga 2024 Kum Maroon Kachang BJP majority 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly na tuitak kata SOO extension li makhamaya chi phaning ungasak ta tuitak chi yangkhai kahai hayakha constitution wi 7th schedule li makashur ngasara Manipur democratic mandate li khaya magashi ngasara da T Michael Lamjatang haukip na hangachi Prime Minister Narendra Modi na achu rashungda Manipur li maung lalai laka 3 nation tours at pok lui kahai li congress na yathaira Ayar ngaleili zat khawai yangle kha yari ka khanang ka chot machat la leida khalei Manipur li khawai lu commission maleira kha ta khanghan sahaira opposition party China kahang 2023 karam kachang kachia Manipur twi shot rod kamarat how kaphok wi aina zadra kahai atam li Modi na ayar ngaleili yaw ka zat hina thumra da hang phanga ngasaya Prime Minister na Cyprus, Canada, kala Croatia liwa khawai zathaira. Marami Congress General Secretary in Charge Communications, Jairam Ramesh na ex-li kapishoka. Tura kapong na mikhavai kasa Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jennings Campus, Imphal Cleanliness Drive kahaka kuikahira. Cleanliness drive chi thar kamateng promote kasa ay nang soda community service li kanuitot sang sa khawai kasana chi. Angaran angayeji NSSL Manipur University kala Department of Youth Affairs and Sports YAS Government of Manipur na makhok kamina. Ot kasachi Professor N Lokendra Singh Vice Chancellor Manipur University kala Dr. Mayengbom Veto Singh Director of Youth Affairs and Sports na yangsangmia. Ot kasajili NSS volunteers Shakha Langdana Sharukuya. YAS Department Program Officers kala Youth Officers Pinglazanga. Dr. L. Santosh Singh, NSSL Program Coordinator Nathanda, Campus Mikhavai, Waste Management Mikhavai, kala Civic Responsibility Ningshiya, Youth being Discipline Lekhavai Kasanachi. Thar kamateng ot ngarut kwika kahai thili achu Janims Outpatient Department OPD Shopok Luishit Khawai ngaran haira. Northeast India li khalei higher education institutions mathakasang thekhui haira. India we mathamai thui kachi hang phanga ngachai li zangpok haira. Indian Institutional Ranking Framework IIRF 2025 we top 50 li Northeast Universities thara zangdale. Itanagar li khalei Rajiv Gandhi University ne India we tharada kakathumali zangdale kharekum la rank chili kazang samphanga. Kha ranking li swita tala zangdale. Tezpur University na tharada thurukwi aina makuda mati ta haira. Mizoram University na tharada phangawi aina makuda phanga ta haira. Shillong li khalei Northeastern Hill University na tharada chishatwi aina makuda chiko ta haira. Imphal we Central Agricultural University na makuda katharuka li zangda apam hiwi agricultural education li khamatha chithaidale. Tripura University na hangmati ta shini wi aina hangmati ta mati ka haira. Nagaland University na thumrada shini wi aina thumrada khamati li ka haira. India we top 50 li gazang Northeast Universities Pingji, Sikkim University na thumrada katharuka, Assam University na thumrada kashini, Manipur University hangmati li zanga. Private sector shong Gangtok li khalei Sikkim Manipal University mang the national top 50 li gazang samphanga. Sikkim Manipal University na makuda khamati li zanga. Private university li Northeast institutions chiko top 100 li gazang samphanga. Shillong li Martin Luther Christian University na hangtharukta kakhania, William Carey University na hangtharukta kashinia, Meghalaya University of Science and Technology na hangshini ta shini li kazang sampanga. Rankings pinghi IIRF na India we institutions thingkhani shaphanga kada ngaheu yanglaka kashok na chili universities shaphanga zanga. Uttarakhand Kedarnath Shrine ngalemli helicopter crash sada mishini thi haira. Kalasha thi aya ngathor kashokna. Pawa tissue da visibility makhamtha wuivang aina kashokna chidale. Helicopter chili tongzat kasami saikorali thi kahaina. Rudraprayag District Disaster Management Officer Nandan Singh Rajwarna PTI li kahang. Kalasha chi korikund kharar atungli kashokna. Helicopter chili pilgrims phanga. Pilot kala Badrinath Kedarnath Temple Committee we ot kasanaw akhazang kasanaw. Helicopter chi Kedarnath we aina gupt kashi wauki da ngathor pung phanga makhaili zatphokta masangrang lakha crash kasana. Chopper chi Aryan Aviation Private Limited we na chi Rajwarna kahang zingyat makhamatha wuivang zero visibility and a crash kasana. PTI pau atishur da kalasha chili mawonsa kahaichi Maharashtra we aina zingkum tumrada phanga Shraddha Rajkumar Jaiswal, zingkum khani Kashi, Gujarat we aina zingkum hangmati da akha Rajkumar Suresh Jaiswal, Uttarakhand we Vikram Singh Rawat, Uttar Pradesh we zingkum hang tharukta tharuk Vinud Devi, aina zingkum tharada chiko Tushti Singh, kala pilot Captain Rajveer Singh Chauhan athumna. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami na ex likahang State Disaster Response Force kala agencies katena relief aina rescue operations via chopper crash kasahi Air India flight crash kasami shakhani hangmati da ka thikasang ocho chiwi aina masang la kashokna ta yarwi ning kharik khangachi leya itumna theipai kharam chishat thangla Gangotri tham khawa helicopter akha Uttarkashi district li crash sada mitharuk thi hawa. Makhushini thangla getarnat vakhavai zatkasa helicopter akha technical kashoy lehauda emergency landing saya chili pilot sazahawa. Aya crash shock leader khalei hili ngasunda state chili helicopter operations wuivang dhami na sakla kahai chizu khami shokhaira. Chief Minister Chinagahang State Chili Gazette Heli Services wi sakla kahai SOP Standard Operating Procedure ngaran phalungra. Chili helicopter with technical condition mathalak aina check kasahi mandatory ngasa phalungra da hanga. Helicopter mazadrang laka weather status layang phalungra da CM na chizu khami shokhaira. Maram wuivang Technical Experts Committee sem the SOP sem Khawai Chief Secretary Li Hanghaira. Latluida achui khamataya pauping. Imphal East Pukaw Leitan Pok Pishong Luipam Maram aina kon kazar shokhaira. Cookie Group Bingli SOO Agreement Mahai Luikhavai Manipur BJP spokesperson na Pohaira. Achui Pau Hili Ngachanghaira Pau Nganada Khalei Nathum saikorali Ringkapa Kala Kamahaya Zimiksho Masasirali.